Right now, I have already set up OneDrive with an account. So over here on the left side, you can see that I can access my OneDrive files right here. But sometimes you may want to unlink the account so that you can sign in onto a new OneDrive account. So in order to do that, you need to go around and access out your OneDrive settings right here. So for that, from the taskbar, I'm going to go to OneDrive and then click on settings right here, just like this, and then go around onto account section. Once you do that, over here you can see that this is what I have. So I have this account sign in. And if you want to sign out of this account so that you can sign in into another account of your choice, you need to click on unlink this PC. Once you do that, you can click on unlink account, and what happens is that you can see the account has been unlinked now. So if I were to go around over here, it says sign in into OneDrive to get started. So you need to go around and sign in again, just like this, or you can enter out a new email address and follow the same process, and then you can change around the location and everything once more, as you can see right here. So you can go around. I'm just going to choose the default one right now and then continue ahead. And what happens is that everything starts getting synced up again. So I'm going to go around, press no, and press next right here, and press next right here, and these are some general information just like this. Then you can go around and access out your OneDrive folder once more, just like this. And that is how you can go around and unlink out PC and then even relink out PC with your Microsoft account for OneDrive in Windows. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.